Hello everybody and welcome to my Java video tutorial series on YouTube. My name is Jackson Bement and I'm here to introduce you to the programming language of Java. Through this series I will be teaching the very basics of the Java programming language. I do not pretend to be an expert, but I'm going to do my best. This episode will be going over the background information and fundamentals of Java. Java is one of the largest programming languages in the world, and it's used on everything from phones to servers to other internet applications. It was created by James Gosling with Sun Microsystems, originally used for household appliances. So first off, you need to know that Java is not just a programming language. It is also a runtime environment. The Java programming language is most of the code, whereas the runtime environment is the part that displays the output of the code. End users, the people who use the finished products and applications, generally only use the runtime environment simply because they only want to use the application, not create code. Oracle, who owns and produces Java, has their own runtime environment, but other companies can make them as well, making Java extremely versatile. Android, for instance, makes their own runtime. So now that we understand the Java Runtime Environment, or JRE, we need to understand the JDK, which is the Java Development Kit. Just to reiterate, the JRE is used to run Java applications. But to be able to create Java applications to be run, we need the JDK to develop and create them. So if we want to learn to code in Java, we need the JDK so we can create applications, and the JRE to see the output of what the code is. For this specific series, I will be using the Java development environment called BlueJ. Now if you download BlueJ, you should download it with the JDK. There will be a link in the description. Other popular programs like BlueJ include NetBeans, IntelliJ, or Eclipse. All of these programs are free, but I'm using BlueJ because I know it well and it's extremely simple and good for teaching. Once more, I want to reiterate that I am not a professional, and that because of this fact, I should not be your only source of learning for this program. There are tons of online videos, blogs, support groups, textbooks, classes, and more, many of which are online and free. During the course of this series, I will also advise you to use Codecademy to practice as you learn. One more thing you need to understand is that Java is an object-oriented programming language, or OOP. This means that Java is full of objects or classes that interact with one another in different ways to perform specific actions and do many different things. Now, with a little of this background information established, we're ready to get into the actual code. So this will mark the end of our first video. Before we move on to get into the actual coding, I have a mini quiz. To test your comprehension of the information, I expect you to answer these questions and double check them afterwards. Question 1. What is the difference between the Java Development Kit and the Java Runtime Environment? Question 2. What does it mean that Java is an object-oriented programming language? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in the next videos.